Hi guys, Nicola Bano from Buildwithnic. It is a new year, new content coming up. In this video, we will discuss things to consider before moving into your new house. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button below, and if you like the video, smash that like button. Without further ado, let's start with the video. Alright, so the first thing that you have to consider before moving in is you need to liaise with your builder or your site supervisor on the estimated date of the key handover. Basically, after the PCI or the practical completion inspection, it will take 2 to 3 weeks until the key handover. By knowing the date of your key handover, you can have an estimated time on when you can move in. Alright, so the second item is to organize your home and content insurance. Before you move into your new house, make sure to get your home insurance or home and content insurance. You can go to your mortgage bank with your insurance and get a deal or search for a different insurance company. Make sure to read what is included in the insurance and their terms and conditions. Alright, so the third item is to update your house address, like your driver's license, car rego, work details, or any other personal details that requires information about your physical address. Otherwise, you can redirect your mail to your new address. The fourth item, and the most important thing probably for me, is to arrange your internet connection or NBN connection. Contact your service provider, whether it is Telstra, Vodafone, iiNet, so they can assess your NBN connection and install the network connection right away. I highly recommend to book an installation as it will take 1 to 2 weeks before they come in. So get that done. Alright, so the fifth item is to order your new bin in your local council. You can go to their website and apply for the local bin, and it will only take 1 to 2 business days to be delivered. Sixth item is find a removal service and collect packing boxes. Send an appointment when the removalists can come to your house and move the boxes and your furniture. Otherwise, feel free to ask your family and friends to give you a hand. The seventh item is to research your new home. If you're moving to a new suburb or city, find out where all your new amenities are. If you're in a private estate, you can talk to your land developer to provide a recap of the area's location, like a shopping center, pharmacy, and medical center. If you are in a private land, familiarize yourself by roaming around the site and by doing some Google Maps. Google Maps will be your friendly companion. Eighth item is to start shopping smart. Use up all your perishables and frozen foods. Create a meal prep that will empty your fridge, freezer, or your pantry. Otherwise, if you have family and friends where you can put your frozen foods, for the time being, that will be another option for you. The second to the last that you need to consider before you moving in is you need to give notice. If you're renting, give sufficient notice to your landlord as per your rental contract agreement, and organize a final inspection to secure your refund for your bond, assuming final inspection all goes well. The last part is to create a floor plan. Include all room measurements in your new home, like your master bedroom, living room, dining room, to ensure all your furniture fits, giving you enough time to design for your new house. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in. I hope this video helped to kind of prepare you in moving to your new house very soon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video as always, as it will help with the YouTube algorithm. If you have any further question or clarification, comment below and I will answer those questions. Anyway, I'll see you guys soon and take care. Bye!